Soak a cup of dried green or white peas for about 6 to 8 hours. Transfer the soaked peas to a pressure cooker. Add some water. Scrape 2 large potatoes and add it along with the peas. Now add about 4 cloves to the cooker. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Finally add a teaspoon of salt and close the cooker lid. Pressure cook the peas for about 4 whistles in medium flame. Let's start the masala preparation. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons oil to it. Now add 1 large sliced onion to the pan. Fry the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes again. Fry the onions until they turn translucent. Then add 4 slit green chilies to it and a medium-sized sliced tomato. Fry until the tomatoes are soft and turn off the flame and allow the mixture to cool down. Add them to the mixer grinder once it cools down and add a bunch of mint and coriander to it and finely grind the mixture. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add a bay leaf and a cinnamon to it. Add the grinded paste to the pan and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix all of these thoroughly and cover the pan with a lid and place it in low flame until oil separates from it. Once the cooker pressure is down, open the lid and remove all the cloves that we had added to it. Once all the cloves are removed, mash the potatoes and peas roughly and adjust consistency. You can now see that the masala has changed its color. That's when the oil starts separating and all the rawness in the masala would have gone. Now add the boiled peas and potato to this masala and mix them completely. You can also add water and adjust consistency if you need to. Once you add water and mix the mixture well, bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you can taste it and see if salt is okay. And if you need to, you can add more and turn off the flame. To prepare sweet and sour chutney, soak a cup of tamarind and rest it for about 30 minutes. Do the same for a cup of dates as well. Heat a pan, add the soaked tamarind and dates to it, add a cup of water and then add a cup of jaggery to it and bring it to a boil. The ratio of dates, jaggery and tamarind should be in equal proportion. Once it starts boiling, you can turn off the flame and cool it down. Once it's cooled down, you can grind the tamarind, jaggery and the dates mixture. Once the mixture is grinded, you can strain the mixture using a strainer. Keep the strained mixture for boil. Add salt as per taste. Add quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you can turn off the flame, transfer it to a container once it cools down, and you could preserve it for a week in fridge. Sweet and sour chutney is ready now. Let's start plating masala puri. break some 5 to 6 puris and add it to the bowl. Then add the masala to it as per your choice. Add a spoon of sweet and sour chutney, more or less depending on your taste. You can then add a spoon of chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped coriander, and you could garnish it with save on top and enjoy your delicious homemade masala puri. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.